The next thing we're going to talk about on the fence is the hydraulics. You can see on the back, our remotes are color coordinated. And one cool thing that we like to do is we've got color coordinated bands so that every time you hook up an implement, you plug it in the exact same way that you did the last time. So a cool feature about the Fendt is how easy it is pushing these hoses and keep everything clean. Another cool feature is when you're disconnecting, you've got this lever up on top. To do the top one, you pull on the lever. That makes it easy. To do the bottom, you push on the lever, and that makes it easy so you don't have to yank on the hoses and make a mess. Another cool feature about the Fendt tractor is the hydraulic capacity. So this tractor is equipped with a dual pump hydraulic system capable of 113 gallons per minute. And how we recommend using that 113 gallons per minute and keeping the hydraulics cool is by plugging in hoses of the same demand into one bank and another demand in the other bank. So the first bank, we'll plug in our low flow, high pressure, and in the second bank, we'll plug in our high flow, low pressure hoses. And that should help keep the hydraulics cool when operating. The next feature we're going to talk about on the hydraulic system of the Fendt is the Power Beyond system. So for implements that require more than 37 gallons per minute out of a remote, we've got what we call Power Beyond. So this is the pressure fitting for the Power Beyond system. Next to it is the load sense fitting, which tells the pressure how much to send. Next, we've got our drain for fans or just low amounts of oil going back to the tractor. One cool feature about the Fendt tractor is we have two separate hydraulic reservoirs. The reason being to protect the tractor from any contaminants that come through from the implement. One thing to keep in mind when you're maintaining and filling these tanks up is the back, you can see a red sticker, is for our transmission. So this is not where you fill for the hydraulic system. The fill for the hydraulic system is over here on the side of the tractor. You've got a cap here and it's got a white sticker on top of it to show you that is for the implement, not the transmission. Red is dead, white is go ahead. So go ahead and pour in this one, but don't touch the red one, please.